right.
As you guys can probably tell, we're renting bikes. It's like
They gave me a pink helmet.
It's 3:13. We have till 5 o'clock. Yeah, Summer's got a mini bike there.
It's my first
Mom's
time
got
riding
her
my
bike.
own bike because like usually I just go off the back of Mom's.
Well, no, she knows how to ride a bike because she has her own bike.
I know how.
Last
but,
time,
like,
I don't know if you guys remember, but like last time we rented bikes, and even before that,
like
Summer would just hitch on the back of Mom's bike.
I've only did bikes on our street, but this is the first time. Cause I'm all grown up.
Oh, look out, big root.
So do we want to?
So we just finished
Summer made
bike
it.
ride.
She did have one
tumble.
tumble, but
But
she.
Nothing got cut, nothing. She's completely, she did everything right. The bike fell, she stood up, everything.
The bike fell and I just let it go.
It looked really bad, but it ended up really good.
Nothing happened. She was completely fine.
Scratches
But yeah, we went up and down this whole road area. We went all the way down. We went on this bike trip. We went everywhere. I didn't vlog a lot of it only because my phone almost died. Like my phone was at 9%. Thank you, Mom. Mom just handed me the cord.
We were singing Mamma Mia.
We were. Yeah, my phone almost died and Mom's phone almost died. So I powered down my phone.
I don't even have phones.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Now we're gonna go back to the food line, get some more food, right? And go back home.
I'll take it. What?
All right, so we're back. We're just chilling. I charged my phone. We're good. I think later tonight we're gonna go for a kind of a late swim in the pool. But what I've been doing right now is I've been editing the vlog, and if you guys will know this if you watch the Jelana Roberts studio. If you don't, it's fine. This is the new logo for the mini series that we're doing along with that, which is called Outside the Studio. I just did the logo for that. It looks really good. All right, I'm still in my room from the last time I updated you guys. I was out there watching Friends. I'm back in here. I was editing. I'm about to post it later tonight because there are fireworks tonight, and which I wasn't aware of. So yeah, there are fireworks tonight that we're gonna go see. Yeah, they start at 9 o'clock. It's currently.
Are you gonna bring a sweatshirt?
Hmm?
Are you gonna bring a sweatshirt?
I don't know. I didn't bring a sweatshirt.
Boy!
Yeah, it's currently at 8:45, and so we're gonna leave in like 5 minutes. But we're gonna go right onto the beach so we can see him from here. Yeah.
We'll be right back.
You stay
Hmm?
No shoes.
Oh wait, I want to go barefoot. Hold up.
You stay. We're coming right back.
Yeah, barefoot.
I didn't bring any chairs.
I know it's really dark, guys. I've got my hat on backwards. I know it's really dark, guys. And I know it's probably a little hard to see us, and I know it's kind of hard to hear me because it's windy out, but I really wish you guys could see this. It is the most beautiful. Actually, no, I'm going to take a picture because the picture will be brighter. And get a picture of just the moon reflecting like on the water. And we're going to... try this. You guys, yeah, no, it's good though. Worth a shot. Yeah, I'll take a picture. You guys will be able to see it. It looks so good. I think the fireworks have launched down there. Our condo's right there. We're gonna set up a blanket like right around here. Just sit. We didn't bring chairs, just sitting on the blanket. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna take a picture. We'll put up 2 pictures. One of us all like settled in the blanket, and one with the ocean right now. finale.
I think that was their finale. It was amazing.
It was a good finale. I didn't film all the finale because I was taking pictures as well, but it was a good finale. So, guys, it's really late at night. I posted the video and everything. This is the end of the video, so be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already to stay updated with the channel. Have a great day whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.